What's up guys, hope you're doing great. This is Copy Shots and today I have a video concerning how to remove noise from your recorded audio. And for this particular tutorial, I have a footage that I filmed having a model speak, from which we are going to remove the noise that I captured having my fan running, as well as also having an issue with the microphone that I used. And for this particular tutorial, you're going to have Adobe Audition and Adobe Premiere Pro, because those are the softwares you're going to use. You're going to do dynamic linking, where I'm going to start from Premiere Pro and end it up all back in Premiere Pro through Adobe Audition. You're equally also going to need to use headphones so that you can actually hear the noise that is going to be removed, and also the aftermath where the audio is cleaned out, how it's going to sound. If you really want a very good experience to really understand how this technique I'm going to show you in Adobe Audition works, then you're going to have a headphone plugged into this video so that you can follow along and understand each and every step out of the way. Let's get right into the video. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to start off in Premiere Pro, where I have imported the footage that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to select the in point to begin the area that I want to start the video or the audio.
Hello, my name is Akusia from Boachi, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel to do some audio kind of thing. I don't really know. So I wanted to talk about my course and what I like about my course. And
this is exactly where I want this to end. So I'm going to hit the O key on the keyboard and drag it from the screen to select the visuals and the audio as well, so that I'm going to work on the audio and clean out the noise. Okay, so I'm going to first of all scale to frame size so that I get my footage, which I shot in 4K, in the right resolution, because my sequence is actually in 1080p. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to right click on the audio and move all the way straight upwards to edit clip in Adobe Audition. So I'm going to hit this and wait for Adobe Audition to initialize. Once Adobe Audition gets initialized, it already has the audio file imported into itself. So what I'm going to do is to listen to the audio first of all to find out exactly what's wrong with it.
Hello, my name is Akusia from Boachi, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
Alright, so immediately what I noticed is when I was filming this video, and I had my fan working at that point in time, and so I hear the sound or the noise from it, and also I hear this particular feedback. Let's listen to it once more so we find that particular feedback that I can hear in the audio.
To do some audio kind of thing, I don't really know.
It doesn't necessarily help us in any way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an area or a portion in the audio where my model wasn't speaking. So if you look at the waves, you realize that these are obviously when my model was speaking.
And what I like about my course.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this area which looks flatter than these portions, and that's presumed to be the areas where the noise capitalized itself when my model wasn't talking. So let's play it and be very sure that we don't have any important detail in there. All right, so all that I hear is the feedback and the sound from the fan. So I'm going to first of all hit Shift and P, and immediately what happens is I've actually captured the noise print, which I'm going to have the software find it all the way through the audio and eradicate that out of the audio to clean out the audio to make it sound better. All right, so the next thing to do is to hit Control A to select the whole deck, and I'm going to hit Control Shift P to bring out the effect noise reduction window. So what I'm going to do here is to listen to the audio once more to be sure that we have that noise in there. It's going to help you understand what I'm going to do right away.
Hello, my name is Akusia from Boachi, and today...
Alright, so we still hear what we don't want in the audio, and that's because the noise reduction level over here has been pushed all the way to 0. So
I'm actually on Kobisha's.
It means we don't have any effect or any noise reduction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this all the way to 50, so we'll listen to the development.
to do some audio kind of thing. I don't really know.
All right, so immediately we've been able to have an improvement in the audio, but it doesn't sound very best because I still hear that feedback in there, even though the fan noise has been tremendously reduced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push just a little bit to the 70. 100 is perfect, but once I push it all the way to 100, you're going to notice that the sound is muffled and is kind of distorted. You just listen to it and you're going to understand what I mean.
So I wanted to talk about my course and what.
All right, so it doesn't sound as best as it's supposed to be. It has been the bass has been taken out, and that is not what we are looking for. So I'm going to send this a little bit all the way to, let's say, 80, and listen to it once more.
I like about my course.
All right, so I think it sounds a little bit better. Of course, it sounds a little bit better than the 100, but I don't think 80 is good enough. I think it's too much, so I'm going to send it all the way to somewhere around 75. All right, just like that, 75%, and I'm going to listen to it one more time to be very sure that this works best for the noise reduction levels that I need in this particular audio.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
All right, already a very huge improvement, but I'm going to push it all the way to, let's say, 65, and I think that should do it for me.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
And that's already a huge improvement. All right, so to save this new development, I'm going to hit apply. All right, and I'm going to listen to this one more time. I'm going to hit the minus on my keyboard to zoom out and listen all the way to it.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
All right, so this sounds better for me already. So I'm going to close Adobe Audition and save changes to the audio. Of course, I'm going to hit yes, and what it does is it saves it. So once I close Adobe Audition, it replaces the audio with what I did in Adobe Audition. So let's listen to it one more time.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel to do some audio kind of thing. I don't really know.
All right, so let's listen to before.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
And let's listen to after and how it sounds, if it's better than before.
Hello, my name is Audition from Audition, and today I'm actually on Kobisha's channel.
All right, and that does it. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it on all social media platforms. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you're new and turn on the post notification button so that you'll be always notified of new videos that I upload over here onto my YouTube channel. Until the next video, have a wonderful day. See ya.